Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with internal organs of human body name in English. First of all children, brain. This is green color. First brain. B R A I N brain. And second one is, this is red color, heart. H E A R T heart. This is blue color, lungs. L U N G S lungs. This is black color, liver. L I V E R liver. And this is brown color, kidneys. This is plural form, kidneys. K I D N E Y S kidneys. And last one is, this is purple color, stomach. S T O M A C H stomach. Okay children, internal organs of human body name in English: brain, heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, stomach. Okay children, bye.